Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer effort it takes to manually clean your pool? You're not alone. Many find themselves investing precious hours, tirelessly scooping out leaves, bugs and other debris. It's a laborious task that needs constant attention. And let's not forget the delicate dance of maintaining the perfect chemical balance, a task that is as tricky as it is essential. But what if there was a way to keep your pool sparkling clean without all hassle? Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the product links in the description below. Welcome to the future of pool cleaning, robotic pool cleaners. These are automated devices that move around your pool using smart sensors to map the contours and surfaces. They use powerful brushes and filters to remove all kinds of dirt, from algae to leaves, saving you time and effort. Robotic pool cleaners are energy efficient and help to distribute pool chemicals evenly, making your pool safer and cleaner than ever. Now that you understand how these machines can revolutionize your pool maintenance, let's dive into the top 5 robotic pool cleaners of 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. At number 5, we have the Zodiac MX6, followed by the Dolphin Triton PS at the 4th spot. The Zodiac MX6 is a compact dynamo that packs a punch. Its low-flow design makes it the perfect fit for pools with 2-speed or variable speed pumps. The innovative cyclonic suction ensures powerful vacuuming, while the articulating turbine blade provides aggressive wall climbing. However, it's worth noting that the MX6 may struggle with larger debris, and its hoses might be a tad too stiff for some users' liking. Sitting pretty at number 4 is the Dolphin PS. This robust machine offers superior filtering capabilities and scrubs the pool floor, walls and waterline with precision. Its PowerStream technology ensures constant grip on vertical surfaces for thorough cleaning. But it's a bit on the heavier side and might be a challenge to remove from the water. Both these models offer great value with their unique features and capabilities. But remember, no product is without its quirks. Now, let's move on to the top 3. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the product links in the description below. Moving up the list, at number 3, we have the Iper Seagull SE, and at number 2, the Polaris 9550 Sport. First, dive into the Iper Seagull SE. This model is a marvel of technological innovation, boasting advanced AI technology that ensures comprehensive pool coverage. What sets it apart is its ability to climb walls and clean the waterline, leaving your pool pristine from top to bottom. It's efficient and energy-saving too, with a 2-hour cleaning cycle that won't spike your electricity bill. However, it's not without its cons. Some users have reported difficulties with heavier debris, but for the most part, the Iper Seagull SE is a reliable choice for those seeking a balance of price and performance. Now let's shift our focus to the Polaris 9550 Sport. This model is a crowd favorite, and for good reason. It features a 4-wheel drive technology that can tackle any pool terrain, and its Vortex vacuum technology provides superior suction for all types of debris. Plus, it comes with a remote control for customized cleaning. On downside, the Polaris 9550 Sport is on the pricier side, and its heavy weight might make it a bit cumbersome to handle. But if you're looking for a high-performing, feature-rich robotic pool cleaner, it's hard to beat this model. These two models provide exceptional cleaning performance, but the best is yet to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. And the top spot goes to the Dolphin Nautilus CC+. Crowning our list is the one and only Dolphin Nautilus CC+, a marvel of modern technology that's been making waves in the world of robotic pool cleaners. This little gem is laden with impressive features that set it apart from the rest. Firstly, it's equipped with Clever Clean technology, a smart navigation system that scans your pool to ensure total coverage. No more missed spots or half-cleaned corners. It's a thorough worker, this one, leaving your pool sparkling clean every time. Then there's the top-load cartridge filter system. Easy to access and change, it captures and contains all sizes of debris from leaves to algae, ensuring your swimming experience is always a pleasant one. But what about the cons, you ask? Well, every rose has its thorns. The Dolphin Nautilus CCC Plus is no exception. One downside is its weight, Coming in at £19, it can be a bit of a hassle to lift out of the pool. However, with its exceptional cleaning performance, it's a small price to pay. This model stands out for its convenience, efficiency, and unparalleled cleaning prowess. It's a true game changer, designed to make your life easier and your pool cleaner. It's not just a robotic pool cleaner, it's a testament to the wonders of technology and a promise of hassle-free pool maintenance. With its superior features and performance, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus takes the crown as the best robotic pool cleaner of 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below.